Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Martine Chiella. Today's video, we are going to be making over this space here. It's the last room in the house since we moved, and it's been like this since we got in here. We haven't shown any love, but we're going to be heading out to Walmart today just to make out the space. So here we are in Walmart. I am on a mission to complete this room in the next 48 hours because their grandparents is coming over to help us with something. I don't want him to drive all the way back so far and not have a place to lay his head and just rest for a little bit. So I have to complete this room. So I gave myself the challenge to complete it with using only Walmart stuff and also shopping my house to see what I could put together, something decent somebody can lay their head on. Traditional means of ordering things online, and it was going to be a long wait. Called stores to see who can deliver me a bed and so on. Everything was just a long wait. And so I decided to take matters in my own hand. I needed it done within 48 hours, and this is what we got done. I found some really good pieces, and I really saved some money because we didn't even have to pay for shipping and all that stuff. So the size of the bed that I was looking for was just a full, because that room is not like a big space. And I got my eye on something here. I also found this bed raising frame here. It was a metal frame, sturdy. It was about $100, so $99.97. And these are the pieces that I ended up going with. I was surprisingly shocked to find all this stuff in Walmart. I was not expecting that. Okay, so we are back home. I'm on a mission now to clear this room and get it started. This was the early morning. I had to tackle this before he showed up. Is it me or is anybody else notice, any other mamas notice this? Whenever you are in like mission mode to get things completed, done around the house, all of a sudden the children are a little bit more needy. Anyhow, I digress. Let me get the cleaning done here. So I finished up the room by just sweeping and doing a quick dry mop in the room just to catch any dust. And then we started building the frame, which was a frame that I showed you guys from Walmart, the $99.97. This frame can hold a full bed as well as a queen size bed. It was very sturdy. The instructions were simple to follow, and I just took my time and followed the instructions. Honestly, it just helped lift the bed off the floor, and it kind of, when you're in a basement, the basement is super cold, and it's best when things are not more to the ground, but a little bit more elevated. So that's what I ended up doing with this frame. At this time, I'm multitasking. All the beddings are in the washer, washing and getting cleaned. The frame is almost done, and I got a lot of distractions and pauses in between. Everybody wanted to help. So this is the full-size bed that we ended up going with at Walmart. The instructions were very simple. As soon as we take it out, we were just supposed to lay it there and let the air hit it. And that's what I did. Oh my goodness, I was very impressed how everything turned out. It turned out very nicely. So the blankets, the bed sheets, the insert for the pillows from the front, just for the decor, everything came from Walmart. These small little gray mirrors that I have on the side here are not from Walmart. However, you can find them at Walmart as well. The art piece that I have over here was something that I purchased a while ago, so that's something that I had around the house. The lamp on the side there is also Walmart that you see in the corner right there. I just accessorized the side. These two table stands here are not from Walmart. They were just around the house. I was not using them. I decided to put them there. They are from HomeSense. And I just decided to accessorize this Walmart standing lamp here. I'm sorry for not showing you guys the carpets close up, but this is it for the video. I think the room came together very well, and surprisingly, the bed was actually comfortable when you laid on it. So, yeah, this is what I was able to do with a Walmart trip to be finalized within the next 48 hours. Challenge completed successfully. Thank you so much for watching and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.